Good morning. This isn't just any ordinary penthouse. This is exactly what living in La Quinta is supposed to feel like. The beautiful La Concha behind me, right the way down to the gorgeous Mediterranean Ocean. This apartment not only offers you a fabulous 90 square meter rooftop terrace, but you have this wonderful al fresco dining area coming out very seamlessly from your kitchen and lounge. Again, the location is prime. We're only 10 minutes here from Porto Banús, and we're spoiled with a beautiful 18-hole golf course right on our doorstep. And don't forget the spa down at the Westin Hotel. This gorgeous luxury apartment has been freshly renovated. Brand new kitchen, all top-end appliances from Siemens. The whole home is decorated in Zocco homes, and just the finer details are very apparent throughout. Look at this beautiful wall behind me, completely concealed. Gives you extra space in the apartment itself, opening up to one of the bathrooms and echoing again into the main master ensuite. The apartment offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 90 square meters. We've got a covered outside dedicated parking and a storage room in the price. If you're looking for a property in Marbella that actually ticks lifestyle and investment, get in contact with us today. We'd love to share this opportunity with you.